Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Well, it's been a while since I posted and a lot of you reached out just to find out if everything is fine. Yes guys, everything is okay. I just had a burnout, so I took a break to just rest and re-energize before I could bring you a new video. Lexi was also home for the midterm break and she usually takes a lot of my time. She's the kind of girl that wants all the attention. So here we are again, and as always, there's something new to learn from every video. Both my parents are managing high blood pressure and they're on the kind of medication that you take for the rest of your life. Honestly, I hate taking medicine. If I had to take it for the rest of my life, I really don't know what I would do. For that reason, I always prefer to do self-medication using herbs and any form of natural medicines I can find around. So my parents' health drove me to doing a lot of research on high blood pressure and how to manage it. And that's when I came across the use of hibiscus to lower and regulate the blood pressure. So I shared my findings with my elder sister who also has high blood pressure, and she started using hibiscus tea. Like, she switched from her regular tea to hibiscus tea. That is doing 1 cup a day, and the results are amazing. She actually stopped taking her prescribed drugs and now she is managing it using hibiscus. It's quite funny that all this time we had the medicine here and we've not been using it. We have 5 different hibiscus trees here. We differentiate them by the color of the flowers, and all hibiscus are great, especially the bright colored ones. So I want my parents to start drinking the hibiscus tea like every day so that we see how it's gonna go with their BP. I'm just going to collect all the different flowers that we have here. And the good thing about hibiscus is it flowers throughout the year, so you can always pick. And they're quite expensive out there. I checked at the grocery store the other day and it is quite expensive, guys. I wish to remind you to always consult your doctor before starting on any herbal medicine. The components can somehow clash with what you're already using. So talk to your doctor first before you try this. We've had some rains in the past days, but today the weather is just sunny and perfect for drying our hibiscus in the sun. So once you've collected the flowers, separate the petals for easy drying, just like I'm doing. So the medicine is in the flower itself, not the leaves. But I'm open to ideas, so if you know what we could do with the leaves or any other part of the hibiscus, please let me know. So hibiscus tea is not only for people suffering from high blood pressure. You can as well enjoy hibiscus tea. It has lots of health benefits other than just lowering the blood pressure. So now I'm gonna just spread them out to allow them to dry. We always use the sun to dry almost everything, the grains and every other thing. So I will also use it for the flowers. So we've just started the month of March, which is the beginning of the rainy season, which also doubles as our planting season. I've been receiving quite a number of orders. Guys are preparing their farms to plant sweet potatoes this time. I'm so glad you guys are growing sweet potatoes. So during this time of the year, I frequently check the mails because the orders keep coming and I do not want to inconvenience anyone with late deliveries or failed orders. If you wish to place an order for sweet potato vines, please visit my website yellowflesh.co.ke, or you can as well contact me directly on the number provided in the description box. If you're looking to boost your online presence, Sprout Media helps you design user-friendly websites that perfectly represent your brand. So whether you're starting from scratch or revamping an already existing site, Sprout Media will help you with anything you need and at affordable prices. So email Timothy at sproutmedia.co.ke for any inquiries you may have and for more. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon and the sea breeze is just sweeping across the village. It feels magical. I'm still on 1 meal a day and I have an eating window of 4 hours, but I prefer to eat at exactly 3 because that keeps me full so that I don't feel hungry by the time I'm going to sleep. On today's menu is meat. I have some pre-cooked meat and I'm just going to make a simple stew. Not really a stew, it doesn't have soup, it's sort of a wet fry. Looking outside, it's just about to rain, so I'll step out and bring things in. I don't know why here in the village we have a habit of taking things out, and then when it's about to rain or in the evening, we have to rush and bring them inside. It's just our way of life. Our hibiscus have done well on the first day. It's almost dry. Maybe another day of drying will be just good. I recently put a post on my community tab asking the kind of content you guys would like to see from this channel. And I want to thank everyone who commented because your comments help me create my next video. It's sort of a guideline to my next video. So I realized many of you are really interested in the recipes, and for that reason I created another channel. I called it Child of the Village Cooking or Child of the Village Recipes, something like that. So I will be sharing my recipes there, and I encourage all of you who are interested in the cooking to subscribe to that channel, because from next week I'll be uploading recipes of different foods, only recipes. I did not want to interfere with the people who are just interested in the daily life in the village. I know I normally do a bit of cooking here, but I don't give the actual ingredients or the recipes. It's just random kind of cooking. So that's why I felt it's better to get another channel where I give you the exact recipes of what I'm cooking. And I hope you appreciate it, and I hope you guys are going to subscribe to that channel. I've also got guys asking which country I'm shooting from. Yes guys, this is Kenya. Welcome to Kenya. And we love to stew our food. 90% of our foods are stewed and they are finger licking good. So I just hope one day you gonna visit Kenya, and if you can make it to my village, I hope and pray that you come and enjoy some of my recipes, especially the stews. So my food is ready. This is the meat, and I have some leftover pilau from I think last weekend. It's been lying in the fridge, and I thought it would just make a good accompaniment for my stew. And the meat is so soft, guys. I could just cut it using a spoon. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos and checking on me when you don't see me around. I truly appreciate it. I don't take it for granted, guys. Otherwise, bye bye. I'll see you in the next